Now so one woman come my live section. If they tell me say I love you, I love you, I love you. Now the woman husband come. Bah! The woman, I'm not joking though. The woman husband come. The woman see they talk say I love you. The husband come they tell me some kind of things. I can't the reason. I say, I dey suspect. I know how man they talk. This talk when this man they talk. This man serious. Now the man come say okay. She was catching cruise, but the husband was not happy about the cruise. And me, I could tell that this woman that is playing this flexi play, I'm not understanding. Now the husband say he wants to send me money, so make I send my account. I say no, so I know they send account. The husband come tell me say he won't send the money so that he go pain her. Say women know they like me, their husband send money give on that person. As he said that, I said this is getting serious. I need to be careful here before I go break somebody's marriage. I can't tell the man say thank you. I can't tell the man say okay, if you really want to send me money, send me a DM. The man send me DM. Say make I send a card. I can't send a card. The man go send me 10,000. I come out the woman for the live stream sharp. I come out and say go. The man go tell me say you are remove her. No, that wasn't making sense. He was even denying the man that is not her husband. I not told her that. You know what I told her? I said, Madam, this play when you play is too expensive. I say I want to so that there will be no trouble later. That's why I'm saying this thing now. So that your husband will calm down. He go no say nothing they happen. I said, you feel they play like this now, say you just want to do your husband. But men know they take this kind of thing. He will get this territory like I have to start preaching, you know, So the man was like, it's not like that. The man I say, okay, tell her I want to ask her a question. I say, hey, well, I don't boss. And I told the man, don't worry. And I brought her down. Then I now kept the man. I said the man should wait. And I gave the man, talk to him a little bit, keep her there. Later, the woman now told me my DM the next day that was her husband. I just told her speechless. I'm not talking again. I said speechless. Speechless. So the man, me and the man were friends now. So we used to talk once. So yeah. That was dangerous. Like thank God I was able to handle it. You don't go break somebody.
Obviously, you understand yourself. Maybe the woman knows her husband so well that it will not just it won't be beyond that.
My sister, that was an expensive play, and I could tell that the woman was trying to pepper the man because of the way she was flexing it. I could tell she wanted to pepper the man, only for the man to tell me later that some things happened. I'm like, okay, no, let's let it go.
Women always giving men, we like payback, you know.
Thank God, so you don't talk about yourself. And I like drama, not be like payback.
They give you now when you don't spend. See your comment section.
What did they talk? I know they send comment section. What do you call? Okay, they say you are beautiful. Hey, yeah, your beauty is distracting us.
They say you give them inside the money, say hunger won't kill them.
Man, give them inside the 10,000. Don't go fire that person mouth. Wish the attack can get out. Wish 10,000. Man, give them 10,000. Were you there? Do you even know the woman? I don't know what happened. She come and give you 10,000. Come on.